Hey, what's up, Daryl? How you doing, buddy? Yeah, this gold trade here normally would be a piece of cake, right? Gold's been a real bitch the last few weeks. It's been so hard to trade. So I've been trading other stuff. I don't really like the Forex market, but I've been trading some crypto. I'm doing quite well. As you can see, the trade below is a swing trade. Had that on for now 2 days. It's okay, it's 14k up or 15k up. Let's hope this gold pops up a little bit, yeah? Yeah, I saw it's a bank holiday today. Um, but we're still in the London session, so we should see, see some kind of movement. I mean, the US is sleeping normally at this time. So yeah, it's going to be probably a bit of a slow market. Nice to get a few quick scalps in though. So how's the trading been going for you, Daryl? You been doing well, buddy? Yeah, the market's moving pretty slow right now, right? I still think we will see it at least hit the TP1, right? Yeah, I've only got the 9 moving average. Slow trade though, slow trade. I wonder if we're going to see any action here at all. I wonder if Bitcoin is worth a stab or anything. I was going to put a buy on here as well, man, just a minute ago. Damn it. I was looking at that. Well, we've got this area here. I'll say this area here. And then we also have this area here. So it looks like it's bouncing between these two zones on Bitcoin, which could be a potential trade here, as you can see. See, look, boom, boom, boom. It's really going in between these two zones. So this could potentially do this, but I think at some stage it will come down here or will break above here. So that could be a potential sell. I mean, I can see gold is doing dreadful right now. So I'll leave that one on and see if it does any better. But I'll be looking at Bitcoin to see if we can't get a trade on here using these two areas of support and resistance. What's it saying on the 1 hour? Also on the 1 hour, it's bouncing between those zones as well. There's a humongous candle there on that 1 hour. So potentially this could be a sell-off. I probably expected to go a little bit higher into this zone before I was to place a sell. We had a sell here though. So I need to look at this price action. See if this gets in the zone a bit more. Wait for a confirmation candle and then potentially put a sell on. This looks like a damn sight better trade than the gold, what gold's been offering lately. Gold's been too difficult. I mean, every trade I've placed on gold I've seemed to have lost. Can you hear me, Daryl? Looks like that gold trade is really doing badly. There's just no movement, is there? We need a big rocket above there. I think it will happen. I think we will get a buy candle here at some stage. Hopefully before it hits my stop loss. I'm not so worried about the gold trade. I'm more looking at this Bitcoin. I'm more interested in what's going on here. Because there could be a potential beautiful trade all the way down to this zone here and make a shitload of money. I might take a stab at this and put my stop loss above the other side of it. I'm going to take a stab, I think, on a sell. Yeah, I'm going to take a stab at this Bitcoin here. Kind of wanted to get into a position. I'm sick of the gold one. The gold is really shite. I'm going to put a TP1 around about here. I hope it goes down now. I mean, it may come back into the zone a little bit more before it comes down, but let's see what happens. So if you wanted to wait to put your position on, just wait. I'm just taking a chance that this will come down. I'm hoping it will wick about there and then push back down again. So I would wait there if you're going to do it. I just went in a bit early. I didn't want to lose out on the trade. Put my stop loss just above. Stop loss is here at 69,111. Just above the zone. So I've got quite a strict stop loss there, just in case it does go above. But I'd hang on just for a minute, just for a confirmation candle, because it looks like it's still going up. As you can see, I'm in drawdown right now. So hang on just for a minute. God, gold is really bad. You can see how much that's down. Jeez. I may even close this gold position, to be honest with you. Let me have a look at this. Oh, I'm going to move my stop loss. I don't know. They're coming back up. No, I'll leave that and see how that does. Okay, we need a rejection now. Bulls are still in control here, looks like. So wait to put your trade on there, Daryl. Let's hope it stays within these two zones, because you can make some killer money if that happened. I mean, if we'd have played these zones, if I'd have seen it earlier, that'd have been some beautiful trading right there. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Alright, let's get a rejection. Let's get below my point of entry and continue to go down now for me. I want to see some bearish candles to show me that the sellers are jumping back in again. I'm going to close my gold trade. I really don't like that. I'd rather take the loss on that and have more of a solid trade than hoping it will go up. And then I know what gold's going to happen. It's going to come down, hit the stop loss, and then go back up. The gold's been a bitch to me the last 2 weeks, so I just don't really want to trade it, to be honest with you. Like I said, I've been trading a lot of crypto, and I've done really well the last couple of weeks. So I'll probably continue on that route until gold kind of settles down a bit. Okay, let's hope that this Bitcoin comes down now. Oh really? It's gold plummeted down. Oh shit, yeah, you're right. Yeah. I just had a bad feeling about it, you know. Yeah. I mean, there's no way of reading that, right? It's just chop always. I much prefer a sure thing, you know. Yeah, that drop would have been a few £1,000s though. So that would have been a bad drop. So it's good I closed that quick, right? I only lost a couple of grand on that last, because I closed early, but I probably would have lost 4. And Bitcoin's going the direction I want it to. Let's hope it continues. And let's bounce between these zones. It's still in gold, hoping it goes up. I just don't want to trade it. It's bloody risky these days, man. It seems like every trade I've put on gold, it's just gone the opposite direction. Hasn't listened to any of my strategies whatsoever, and I don't know how to play it from there. So I mean, I have loads of strategies for different markets, but gold just has a mind of its own, man. Mind of its own. You out of the gold, yeah? What's it done now? Oh yeah, shit, I'm glad I got out, right? Look at that. That might come all the way down, buddy. I mean, that could be a decent sell. But that's just guessing. There's nothing really to go off, is there? I mean, we're looking at a market that's bullish, right? We're looking at a bullish or a bearish market. Let me see. Well, the last 3 hours have been bearish. Before that was bullish. It's too hard to say, man. That's just ridiculous, right? So that's just too hard to worry about. We'll see what happens with the old coin. With the Bitcoin. Did you get in on this trade, Daryl? Did you take on the Bitcoin? Okay. Well, let's hope we get some nice big red candles, yeah? There we go, there's one starting. Come on, baby, all the way down for me. 68,900. Oh, nice entry, man. Nice entry. Okay, we're liking this, yeah? It's a nice candle. I think maybe sticking to crypto for a little while. I always seem to try gold for some reason. I don't know why. And then I win the money on crypto and lose it on the bloody gold. Come on, let's see some nice big red ones. There we go. That's what we want. That's what we wanted. $68,899.4. Yeah, real good entry. You got down a sniper entry. So I mean, you could take some profits now if you really wanted to. It's gone the direction we wanted to. It's damn so easy in gold, right? Jeez, don't know why we're fucking about with gold. And we're just losing. Okay, come on, let's go, a bit more red. Would be nice, right? Oh, we don't want to see those green candles. Let's get back to the red. There we go, come on. Let's get down to that TP1. You got a beautiful sniper entry. Mine's a bit lower than yours. Yeah, I've moved my computer into my bedroom because my kid's on half term, so I don't want him to be too loud and stuff, you know. Oh, come on, don't go down, don't go up. So when we go to Thailand, Daryl, do some trading on the beach. Trade the Asian market for a little while. Oh, that's right. You're moving to Australia, yeah? That's pretty easy. It's the same distance actually from Sydney. Because when I lived in New Zealand, we went from Wellington to Sydney, and then Sydney to no, went Sydney to Dubai. So yeah, you could get easily from Australia to Bangkok. It's a pretty easy trip. But we should definitely meet over there, man. Maybe grab a few other people from the Telegram channel. We could have like a big trading conference over there. That'd be cool actually, because it'd be cheap. Because you could rent a hotel room or a conference room over there, and do like a trading conference. That'd be awesome. I could do a lot of advertising over through Instagram, Facebook, and trying to get some people from Asia. You could actually make it a money-making thing too. Because right now I'm doing mentorship as well, one-on-one training, so I'm promoting that part of it, which is quite good fun, teaching people how to trade. Come on, bears. Let's pick up the pace and sell this down. Shit, back into drawdown. We don't want that bollocks. Ooh, oh dear. Oh dear, what the fuck? Is there news? Wow, that's just taken me right out. It wasn't a big loss, which is good. Fuck me. It's broken the... Wow, there must have been some news or something coming in. Look at that. Whoa! Oh my god, I wish I had a buy on. Look at that, you'd have made thousands. That's broken that zone though. So that's good, kind of a good thing and a bad thing. I mean, obviously it's a bad thing it took us out, but now we know, obviously by looking at the candles here, this last candle and this candle tells us that we could be really, really bullish. So this could be coming up to this fair value gap and completely balance the market back up to where the TP2 is, which we'll get rid of now. That was an old one anyway. Look, look at this one I had on before. Been perfect, right? This is another trade I had on. Damn. Should have stuck with that trade. But we could be looking at some serious bullish action. God blimey. It's like looking at a tower in Dubai, isn't it? Wow. That is nuts. Alright. Well, imagine if you had a buy on that. Made fortunes. If I'd have kept my trade on as well. I closed my trade, but look, I had a trade on there, look, here. An old trade from this. Jeez. That is nuts. That's not... I don't know if that's going to continue. Going so bullish. I would not be putting a buy on just yet. I'll wait a minute. Yeah, I didn't look at a 1 hour because that was a mentally bullish candle. And now this one as well, that's just mad. Two beautiful candles. I mean, look at that candle there. We should have known. I should have looked. My error. I didn't look at that. I just went with the zones. So this could potentially go. This could go all the way, mate. This could go up to here. Look at that. This line here. I'd put a TP right there. At the end of the... if I was going to do it, man, I'd probably... Yeah, from there to there. But saying that though, this could use this area here. And this could come straight back down. This is a risky one. See the way this came up to here? This could use this area here of resistance. This could potentially come back down to this area and then fly. So we'd need to wait for a minute just to see what happens there. So this could potentially come all the way down to here again. Take the liquidity from here to go even higher up. Oh, you're going to go to Adelaide? Oh, okay. I've never been. God, my back's fucking hurting me today. I've never been to Australia. Only the airport, obviously. We were in New Zealand for just over a year. We lived there for a little while. I mean, that candle there, I can't say that it's a liquidity sweep to come back down again. That would be kind of weird. When are you thinking about going to Oz then? Okay, that's cool. Are you getting the visa through your work or something? You won't be able to talk in the group so much because you'll be on a completely opposite time zone, mate. You'll be asleep when we're awake. Oh, she's a teacher. Oh, okay, that's cool, yeah. They're crying out for teachers over there. Also construction, they're crying out for construction over there as well. Sponsored. Alright, yeah, that's cool. Yeah, I got a visa. You don't sleep. No, I don't think you do, actually. I had a visa to New Zealand because I was in the hotel business for 20 years, so I got offered a job as a GM for a restaurant over there, which didn't work out. I fucking hated the job. And I didn't work for the whole year. We just travelled. What's gold saying now? Just out of interest. Yeah, see what I mean by that? How the hell can you? How can anyone trade gold right now? Look at that. We thought it was going to be a sell. Came down beautifully. Boom, taking out your stop loss. Another really nice candle for the buyers. Look at this. It's so tempting to put on a buy right now because that is a nice candle. If you looked at this candle here, this candle here, this candle here, it's very, very bullish. I don't just want to be bouncing. I want to make sure I win this trade. This is where that fair value gap is, in between here. So we'll put this text in here just so we know. Oh. This is the fair value gap in here. I'm tempted to go for a... I'm going to go for a quick buy to see. I'm going to do a really tight stop loss though. 69.206. Really tight stop loss. Just to give it a quick go, and then we'll do a a TP at 7247. I've done my stop loss at 669,213. Just to see if it goes. Just see if it goes. I just don't want to lose too much if it doesn't go. But I want to give it half a chance. I mean, I could bring my stop loss all the way down here. But then that's losing a lot. You just took profit. Nice, man. It has to go up, but I don't know if it's going to come down first, like I said. I'm just hoping maybe it will just go up. It was a risky trade to put on. But if you don't go for it, you don't win, right? I mean, I'm well up for the week anyway. Or well up for last week, and so far up for this week. Oh, you added to it. Okay. Let's hope this goes up then, right? It's definitely not staying within those zones. It's above the zone, so the trade that we put on is it should be a good call. It should be a good call. I wanted to get to this fair value gap. If it can get to here, If we can get up to here, then we should be laughing, right? Let's hope it gets above there and closes above there, because then it should easily get to that top line. Yeah, there's no volume right now. Come on, balls. They just put all their volume in that one last candle, that massive green one. My other trade is turning the wrong direction. That's going the wrong direction for right now. I had a beautiful candle up here. When I was in this trade, look how far it went up. It went all the way up to the top here. Nearly hit my TP. Well, not really, but it was already up there earlier, and it's come all the way down again. This was up to 21 grand yesterday. Oh, come on, guys, let's pump this back up. Come on, balls. Look at those candles. Gotta pump. It's gotta pump up. Okay, Nice. Let's go. A bit more volume there now. Let's go, balls. Big old candles would be nice, please. Sweet. Let's go. Get into that fair value gap. Come on, baby. Let's push into that fair value gap and straight up to the TP at the top. Come on, keep on going. We need to get into that fair value gap to balance the market back out. Now there's a bit more volume. Let's go, baby. Come on now. Got 4 more minutes on this candle though. This needs to close into this fair value gap. Ooh, what a candle. Phew. Wow. There we go. Here we go. Come on, baby. I got my TP at 72. Here's my TP up there. I've got my TP at the top. I've just got a TP1. I'm leaving the trade in. It's because what I've done here, I've done it to the fair value gap, you see. And if you hit the 15-minute one, actually no, I hit it on the hour one, didn't I? On the hour, there's at the end of the fair value gap will be here, but I've got mine at the top of that candle because that was where the hour was. So if you look at the hour one, yeah, there's your fair value gap in between there and there. So I put my TP1 here. But let's have a look at the hour and see if there's going to be any. It might bounce there, so you might want to put a TP here. You might want to do a TP here actually. Let's do a TP1 here, and then a TP2 there. But I'm leaving mine probably all the way to the TP2 because I think it will go. So if you wanted to put if you wanted to take some profits when it hits there, take some profits, man. But I'll hit mine right there. See what happens. Let it go up a little bit more. Take some profit. Bring your stop loss to break even. Boom. $7.01. Yeah, because that's from where on the 15-minute chart, that's where probably the fair value gap ends, which would be here. There is where the fair value gap, no, actually the fair value gap is there, mate. That's where the fair value gap ends, but I think it will go further. So I'm leaving mine in. I'll take the chance because Bitcoin has the big moves. But I would take some profits along the way. Definitely if I was you, man. You've already taken some profit now anyway, haven't you? Yeah, if you wanted to take some profits when this goes up to that line. Come on, let's see some big ones again. There's still sellers in the market though. They pushed that last candle right down. Taking a gain. Yeah, nice, man. That's the way to do it, right? Take all of your profits and then go back in again. I do that a lot. Instead of taking a portion of it, I'll take all of it and I'll go back in. I do that loads. Makes you so much more money. That's pretty good. 1,500 up already on this trade. Let's hope this pushes right to the top. That could be a 3 or 4 grand win. That'd be nice. Damn, so easier making money on this right now than it is on gold, right? I lost so much on gold. So I thought, you know what, I'm not doing this anymore. Come on, balls, let's push this up higher than that. A bit faster market. Complete enough to chop on gold. It's good that we switched to Bitcoin, right? Very good that we switched here. I'm not liking these last two candles. I'm really not liking them that much. Let's have a look at the 15-minute one. It's kind of even Stevens, isn't it? I don't like the way this candle's going. But I think I'm going to stay in it. I mean, if you want to take your profits now, buddy, take your profits. But I don't like the way these candles were bouncing off this. So I told you there was a bit of rubbish here, you see, right there. So that's why this is bouncing right now. Let's hope the balls are strong enough to push this back up though. Come on, baby. Push this back up. The 15-second chart. Wow. That would do my head in, man. I couldn't do the 15-second. We're doing okay. We're doing okay. But I'm hoping it'll get past this area here. That's what I said. I'm staying in it. Oh, yeah. There it is. Oh, it's hit the line where I said now. So that would have been my TP1. If I was going to take profit, that would have been the TP1 hit. So if you wanted to hit this area here, that would have been the 1, but like I said, I'm staying in for the 2. Oh yeah, 3 grand up nearly already. Keep on going, man. Come on, baby. 3k. That should be about a 4 grand win if it goes all the way to the top. Come on now, let's go. More power to the top. All the way. All the way. Oh no. Closes all of it. You know, what you'll see now, it'll probably just plummet down, so you'll be happy you took it. Oh shit, look at that. That goes up to the TP, man. You'll be gutted. Like I said, it may have already hit that that area I was talking to you about. See, yes, it has. There's a fair value gap. It's right there. It's hit it, and it's coming back down again, you see? This is the fair value gap here. So close to that fair value gap. Now it's coming down. It's coming down, you see? That was the end of it. I'm hoping it'll get above this though. I hope it gets above this line. Come on, balls. Let's push this up. So you'd have got your full profit anyway. So that was a good trade for you. And I'm not liking this action right now. It's bouncing hard. The sellers are there, man. I'm watching this closely, whether I'm going to close or not. Because I'm $3 up, so... Come on, you ain't got far to go. Yes, the volume has slowed down a bit. It's still there, still there. I think we're going to get one little kick up here. And hopefully it'll hit my TP. Come on, balls, let's push this up one more time. Just to my TP and I'll be a happy man. I'm worried this is going to come tanking down though. I'm so close to taking the profit. I think I'm going to take it. I'm taking it. I'm taking that. Just under 3k. So 3,000 win. Whew. Looks like I hit that at the right time, right? I had a feeling it was coming down because I was looking at the price action there. You shorted, wow. You're risky, you are. So I took the profit and then you shorted immediately. It's funny. I wouldn't have shorted. But I made $3 so that's all good. $69983. Nice. Well, you're already in profit then. I'm definitely glad I came out the trade though. Oh yeah, I'm glad I came out of trade. That was a good call shorting. Oh, okay. Very nice. Yeah, let's make it. This may come down. This may come down. It may come down to this line here. It may come all the way down and then bounce back up, like I said. This could potentially come down to here, couldn't it? Yeah, good trade. Okay, my man. Yeah, I'm going to switch off too. Yeah, it was fun. We'll speak soon, okay?